Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making it safe. Unplug the opener and secure the door so it cannot move. Once done, remove the interior cover. There are usually 2 to 4 screws, so you can see the lock barrel. Make a quick orientation mark with a marker, because you'll need alignment later. Then lean in with a flat screwdriver and locate the retaining clip behind the barrel. Carefully pry that clip toward you. This first action lets the cylinder become free to manipulate. Now you work the barrel out. Once the retaining clip is removed, insert a flat screwdriver into the keyway to engage the cam inside. Rotate the screwdriver as if turning a key. This aligns internal parts so the cylinder can slide. Make sure to keep steady pressure and avoid tilting. Misalignment will bind the barrel. When the cam clears the housing, grasp the cylinder with needle nose pliers and pull straight out. If it resists, wiggle gently. Insert the replacement barrel with the cam rotated to the same orientation you marked earlier. This ensures the cam seats correctly. Slide the cylinder fully home, then reinstall the retaining clip to lock it in place. Make sure it snaps flush. Test the thumb turn or key slot operations several times while the interior cover is off, because you want to confirm smooth action before reattaching the escutcheon. If it binds, stop. Recheck cam alignment and seating, loosen screws. Then retest to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.